Welcome back, Sneaker Division. Got Jeremy Cash, Cesar Perez. It's a celebration.
I know you're excited.
I'm super excited about this.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen. So you know how we always go for these bids and like try to get these sneakers off of like the sneakers app and Adidas. And man, we get a lot of L's. We got a lot
Like non-stop.
of L's, non-stop. So when we finally get a win, it's exciting. It's like, whoa! You mean I beat y'all? Oh my goodness.
It's about time.
About time, dude.
I've been trying, and I've won a couple of times with Yeezy, but he's been trying a whole bunch with Yeezy, and he's never gotten anything from them. Never gotten anything from Sneakers app. And this is the first time he's ever gotten any Yeezys. I'm super excited for him. So,
got my first pair of Yeezys, Boost 380s. They're the pepper drinks. And I'm excited to unveil these for y'all. And off the top, bam! These are the non-reflective ones.
Okay. Kind of got the see-through on that stripe. You got like little holes and stuff like that you can see.
Like, I love the dark gray on the actual sole itself.
Like the midsole, yeah. Looks really good.
Really good. And then the material seems stretchy and everything, so.
Again, this Adidas Boost material, man, it's so like cushy and like bouncy.
Yeah, I'm excited to rock these, man. I'm so excited to rock these. It comes with laces. Let's see what colors. Ooh, it comes with red laces.
What? Okay.
So you can put on red laces if we chose.
That's different.
That is pretty different.
Like the last ones, they came with extra laces too, but they were just like the exact same color. Like they didn't look anything different.
You know, it's crazy. They probably listened to me. So the last video, I was like, the laces ain't do nothing. Like they just want a shade, higher or whatever. But
yeah,
they're like, oh, you want some extra color? Here you go, bro. Ding.
I like the copper almost. It's like, what do you think that color is? Like it's kind of like a copperish color. It looks dope though. I like it. It's like almost like a digital camo, like the other one down there.
Yeah, almost. Here's the other one.
So yeah, I mean, this looks way more like army digital camo though.
Yeah.
Like this is like a desert digital camo. That looks dope though. But again, do you think these are plain? Or are you just so excited about having them that you can't even?
It's my first Yeezys, bro.
You're just looking past all that.
I'm way past that. This is my first Yeezys. So I'm gonna rock the living shit out of these. Straight up, like, oops. But like, yeah, bro, I'm rocking these. I'm rocking these till the wheels fall off because it's my first Yeezy. So
that's what's up. I appreciate that.
Like, you know what I mean? So the next ones, I might hold on to them, be selective with it. I kind of want to go for the black ones that are coming out soon.
Yeah, those black ones look sick.
But other than that, I'm excited. So excited, I gotta win. I gotta win.
And what else did you get with these?
So, I've been using 380, farting over here. So, there's this company called Tango Hotel. It's a clothing brand.
Okay.
And it's a group of artists, very talented, like street artists. They do like modern art, contemporary, all of them. Like all the dopest ones got together and created Tango Hotel and created clothing brands. And they put like their creative ideas together to drop all types of like shirts and shorts and everything. And so I saw these and I don't know why, but I was like, oh, those are pretty dope. I had to get them because I've never seen nothing like these and these are funny. So I copped these Tango Hotel shorts. They got these little cool ducks with some shades and this thumbs up like this on the shorts.
That looks dope.
So, yeah. And now that I think about it,
it kind of matches.
It kind of matches with those.
Yeah, it matches with the Yeezys a lot.
Bust that out one more time.
Yeah, these definitely match with that.
I ain't even trying to do that, ladies and gentlemen, but look at that. You can rock these together. Win-win.
That's dope.
That is dope. So yeah, just brought you in to celebrate this with me. And I wanted to share it with the whole world, with you.
I'm excited for you, man. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll start getting on like a roll where we start getting win after win.
More wins.
Because these losses are killing me. I hope they get rid of these bots, man. They gotta get rid of these bots. Like, cause I'm trying to do it like the proper way of doing it, you know what I mean? Like, I don't wanna cheat. Like, it costs money to cheat.
Yeah, it does. And then if you get caught, you're banned.
Yeah, if you get caught, you're banned, and then, I don't know, man. It's just, I don't know if it's worth it or not. It's just all up in the air. I'd rather just do it the right way. So as long as we keep doing it the right way, we'll see if we get any more wins.
We need to go back to the old school where everybody had to like pretty much camp out to go get these like Jordans and stuff.
Yeah,
and Dunks.
I'd be definitely down for that.
So
definitely down for that.
Go back to the old school Nike.
This coronavirus.
This whole like.
It's got to be over.
Adidas, Nike, Reebok, Asics, all you, Dior's.
Let us camp out for these shoes.
Let us camp out for the shoes. Take it back to the old school. You still gonna make your money. Everybody out there gonna be like, yep, I'm right here in line. Got that money.
Because you know they will wait too.
That's the best.
Anyways, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us with the algorithm. And until the next time, it's nice to be important. More important, to be nice.
Nice.